Hello everyone, I'm Namita Piparaiya and you are watching me on Fittak. Today we are going to look at a very relaxing breathing technique called the 4-7-8 breathing. It's really good for anxiety. It's also very good to help you get a good night's sleep. So let's get into it. We are going to do it in a few stages. Find any comfortable sitting position, can be Vajrasan, on a chair, cross-leg, anything that works for you, and settle in, close your eyes. Make sure your spine is comfortable and just take a couple of breaths to become present, to tune into your practice. And as the first step, we are going to begin with what's called equal breathing, and we are going to do it in a count of 4:4. So I'll count till 4, you inhale, I'll count till 4, you exhale. Just a few rounds of that. So to begin, exhale completely, empty out the breath, and we start. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Take a few moments in silence here to notice how you feel right now. Allow the breath to be free. Mentally prepare for the second round. What we are going to do is increase the length of our exhalation. Let's try with 4:8, but in case that is not comfortable, practice 4:6 first. So inhale for 4 and exhale for 8. If challenging, exhale for 6 at your own pace. So let's begin now. Empty out the breath as always to get started. Exhale fully, pull the navel in, and we start. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. It's completely alright if you felt this practice was a bit too intense. Go back to 4:6 and practice that for a few days. Within 5 to 6 days, you should be able to move it up to 4:8. So do give it a try. Don't be in a rush. Continue to take this break for a few more moments. We are at the third stage. The third stage is breath retention, in which you are going to hold the breath. And I'm going to do just a 4-count hold for the first round because 7 count can be very intense. So we are going to do 4:4:8. All right, just a few rounds. So again, empty out the breath by exhaling. And we begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Relax. Allow the breath to flow normally. Breath retention can be a little bit challenging. That is why I've done only 3 rounds. We are going to try the final 4-7-8 breathing in a few moments. So take this time again to relax your breath, allow it to normalize. And even if it was difficult, don't worry about it. Go back to 4:6 to 4:4:6, and you will be ready in a few days for the final practice. All right, last time. Exhale completely now, empty out the breath, and we do 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I try to share various stages so you can progress across those stages over a couple of weeks or even months if that's what works for you, instead of going directly into it. But for those of you who find 4-7-8 very comfortable, you can actually work on increasing your retention, or what's called kumbhaka, even more. So make it 4:8:8, and then eventually take it up to 4:16:8. So all these numbers are more aligned to Hatha Yoga tradition, wherein your retention keeps increasing more and more than your inhalation or exhalation. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I hope you're feeling good right now after that session, and I will see you again next time. Keep watching Fittak for more such videos.